I've just jumped onto the WFL stand. I'm here at EMO in Milan 2021. I'm here with the Managing Director of Kyal Machine Tools. Simon, not only have you got a fantastic launch of the M20, but you've got a new member of staff.
Mark, good afternoon again. We've spent a few minutes talking about the new products, but just as important as the new products, and maybe even more importantly, I'd like to introduce Steve Malone, who is our new UK sales manager and joined us around 4 or 5 weeks ago. So Steve's in the early days. We've recruited Steve to help grow our sales within the UK market. He has an established background in the machine tool industry and the automation industry, which fits absolutely superbly with what we and WFL are aiming to do going forwards. And I'm sure his experience will lead to added activity and increased order intake.
Now, Steve, I know you've been in the marketplace for a long time, but for those engineers that maybe don't know some of your background and what you've worked with, can you just briefly tell me your experience?
Yes, good point. A lot of my experience is predominantly in high-end engineering, quality in terms of the machines that we've delivered in the machine tool business, but also for a long time I worked in the automation business, and together with the high-end machine tools and the high-end automation, productivity was always the key driver. What we've got here at WFL is to maximise productivity. We have this saying that clamp once, machine complete, and that's what my ultimate goal is, to help our customers achieve this.
And I think obviously looking at automation as well, this is one of the first machines that I've seen from WFL with actually built-in automation.
Yeah, and again we are pushing on. There's much more to WFL than just the machines. We maximise the throughput in our machines, as I say, in terms of the clamp one machine complete, but we want to take that another level where we can increase your productivity with the introduction of automated solutions.
Well, I wish you well. Now, Simon, what's coming up from Kyal Machine Tools and what's happening in 2022?
We've got Mac to look forward to. April, I think April runs from April the 4th for the whole week. And again, it's the first time we'll have held a live exhibition for 4 years, believe it or not, due to the COVID, which has kept postponing Mac. And I think being here in Milan this week has brought a bit of a new energy to everybody, and everybody's really pleased to be sat across the table, face to face, talking to each other. And I believe that we're going to have a really successful Mac, because I think everybody's desperate to get out there. And I think this showcase here in Milan at EMO is just the beginning, and I'm hoping people will see that are still back in the UK and may not have travelled to Milan this week, but they'll see that there's a new energy, and I'm sure they'll want to join us at the Mac exhibition in Birmingham in April next year.
Yeah, I think we're all looking forward to having a UK show as much as we are, being here in Milan. But also, someone tells me that you're even pumping more money into the business with a brand new website as well.
Yes, so as you know, Mark, we work very closely together with yourselves, MTD, and we're currently redesigning the website, which I think the basic platform's been completed by yourselves. So we just need to sit down with you and populate the new area of the website, and it should be able to go live before Christmas.
So really positive things coming from Kyal Machine Tools.
Hopefully, yes, Mark.